Hello students, now in this video we'll see the next part of the second lesson from 9th standard Maths 1 real numbers. The next definition is conjugate pair of binomial surds. The surds of this form a root a plus a root b and a root a minus a root b. Okay, so those two pairs are called conjugate of each other. A conjugate pair of each other. Conjugate pair of each other. Okay. So what is conjugate? Only we have to change the middle sign. अगर प्लस साइन रहेगा तो उसको माइनस करना है और अगर माइनस साइन रहेगी तो उसको क्या लिखना है? प्लस लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2√3 minus √5. Okay, so conjugate of this 2√3 minus √5. This is binomial because containing two terms. Okay, so the conjugate of this is 2√3 plus √5. Only we have to change the sign. So उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? एक दूसरे के conjugate बोलेंगे. Okay, so by using this definition we have to solve this next exercise, that is practice set 2.4. In practice set 2.4 there is first question, that is multiply. Okay, total 3 examples are given. Out of 3 I will show 2 examples and 1 example you have to solve. Okay, so the first example that I took here, √5 minus √7, √5 minus √7 into √2 into √2. Now this multiplication we have to perform by our basic rule, that is a plus b into c. How we can multiply? So first we multiply this c with this a, so you will get a into c, then middle sign plus and then c into b, that is b into c. यानी आउटसाइड की टर्म से क्या करना है हमको? अंदर के दोनों टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो सेम रूल वी हैव टू अप्लाई हियर. सो दिस √5 into √2, √5 into √2 minus this √7 into √2, like this. Okay, now here multiplication of two surds is there and order is same, so we can multiply the radicand only, that is 5 into 2 minus, here it will come as 7 into 2, that is equal to, here it will be 5 2s are 10 minus, here it will be 7 2s are 14. That is the final answer. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay, now come to next one, that is second example, that is 3√2 minus √3 and in second bracket there is 4√3 minus √2. Okay, so here we have to perform multiplication of two brackets, product of two brackets. So at that time we have to consider first term from the first bracket, which is 3√2 into the second whole bracket, that is 4√3 minus √2. Okay, now consider the second term now, minus √3 as it is into that second bracket, that is 4√3 minus √2, that is equal to. Now again there is outside the bracket there is one term and inside the bracket there are two terms. Same rule we use in previous example, same rule we have to use here only. Okay, multiply this 3√2 by both the terms, so you will get 3√2 into 4√3, then this middle sign minus sign, then 3√2 into √2 minus, here again same we have to perform same rule, that is √3 into 4√3, then minus into this minus, it becomes plus, then √3 into √2. Okay, that is equal to. Now here you have to multiply outside the term number by outside the number, that is 3 into 4. Okay, so 3 4s are, it will be 12 into square root of, now both order is same, so we have to multiply the radicands, that is 2 3s are, it is 2 into 3 minus, here it will be 3 and √2 into √2, and we know √2 into √2 is 2 only. Okay, minus this 4 as it is because there is only one number 4 outside the root sign, and then √3 into √3, that is 3 only, plus now √3 into √2, that is root of 3 into 2 because their order is same, that is equal to 12 into √6 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 plus √6. Now here 12 root 6 and this root 6 both are like terms, so like surds. So 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6, so 12 plus 1, that is 13 root 6, and minus 6 minus 12, same signs are there, so we have to take addition of both the numbers. So 12 plus 6, that is 18, and since both have negative signs, so answer is minus 18. So final answer is 13 root 6 minus 18. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2. Now the question number 2 is rationalize the denominator in this question. Total 4 examples are given. Out of 4, I will show 2 examples, and 2 examples you have to solve. Same method you have to apply here. First example is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Okay, so we write the given example as 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, okay, into, now take conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 and multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. So the conjugate will be 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, that will be the conjugate. ये उसका conjugate हो जाएगा, खाली sign change करना है, उससे हम numerator को और वैसे denominator को multiply करेंगे. So that is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Okay, like this. Yes, any doubt in this? Now multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So you will get 3 into bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 into root 2 divided by, now this denominator is of this form, a minus b, second bracket a plus b, and number of times we use this formula. So the formula is a square minus b square. So by this formula we can write it as 2 root 5 bracket square minus 3 root 2 bracket square, that is equal to 3 into bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by, now here 2 square is 4 into root 5 square, that is 5 only, minus 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2 only. Okay, that is equal to 3 into bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 4 5s, it is 20 minus 9 2s 18. So the answer will be 3 into bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 20 minus 18, that is 2 only. बोलो क्या डाउट है इसके अंदर? सेम प्रोसीजर तुमको बाकी के एग्जांपल्स में सॉल्व करना है, मेथड अप्लाई करना है. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड एग्जांपल इज root 5 minus root 3, root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 3, that is equal to, now given question we write it as root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. अब denominator का conjugate लेना है. Okay, so the conjugate for denominator is root 5 minus root 3. Just multiply by that conjugate to numerator as well as denominator. Same procedure follow करेंगे. Okay, that is equal to, now root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. It will be root 5 minus root 3 bracket square divided by, in denominator there is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square, that is root 5 square minus root 3 square. Okay, that is equal to, now we know the formula for expansion of this a minus b bracket square. It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here this is our a, this is our b. Now apply that formula. So you will get root 5 bracket square minus 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 square. Okay, divided by root 5 square. Root 5 square is 5 because square root get cancelled, minus square root of 3 bracket square, that is 3 only, is equal to root 5 square, it is 5 minus 2 into square root of 5 into 3 plus, here square root get cancelled, only 3 is left, divided by 5 minus 3, that is 2, is equal to, now 5 plus 3, like terms we add here, 5 plus 3, that is 8 only, minus 2 square root of 5 3s are 50 upon this 2 denominator as it is. Okay, now from numerator we can take 2 common from both the terms. So you can take 2 common, 2 4s are 8. Okay, minus here root 15 divided by 2. So this 2 get cancelled and you will get 4 minus a root of 15. That is the final answer. So in this way you have to solve those remaining 2 examples. Okay, so here this practice set 2.4 is over now. Thank you.